All right, guys. So on our $100 to $1,000 forex trading challenge, so we took a trade yesterday. So this was a trade we took yesterday. Okay, so this trade idea was sent to the Telegram channel on November 23rd. All right, so and not just only this trade idea, I also sent some other trade ideas. So I'm gonna be using these trade ideas or signals for that account. Okay, so which simply means anybody can also copy this trade idea or trade signal and use them. All right, so this is the first trade we are taking. Okay, and the trade actually triggered almost immediately when I set the limit order yesterday. Okay, because don't forget I created the forex trading challenge account yesterday. Okay, and I set another limit. Okay, Euro CHF and Euro NZD. So this is active, this is yet to be triggered. All right, so let's see if this trade is going to smash TP or hit stop loss. All right, so we're not gonna be emotionally attached. Okay, because if we are emotionally attached, we're going to do a lot of stupid mistakes. A lot. So don't forget, this is a Saint account. So make sure you check out the link in the description box to register on Headway and create a Saint account as well. So I think we are going to be using one lot size for each of our trades. So if you're using a dollar account, you can be using one lot size. All right, is either you're using 0.1. All right, so but with cent account we can use one lot size. All right, and even up to 10 lot size. It all depends on how wide our stop loss is. So if our stop loss is very tight, if it is tiny, okay, we can do what? We can eventually use more than one lot size. Okay, don't forget we've decided to risk up to 10% per trade on each trade. All right, so there are some other setups too, okay, that I just got that I'm even yet to send to the Telegram group. So once I find time, I'll send those setup to the group as well. So if you're watching this video right now, make sure you join the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel. So we also have a Telegram group as well. So just check the link in the description box, you see it. Join the group and the channel. Very important. Okay, so this is the Euro CHF. All right, so I don't know if it's going to eat stop loss or ETP. Okay, but I've done my duty. All right, so let's see how the trade plays out, because I won't deceive you. Like, for example, there's a particular trade, okay, that I posted last week, November 21. I chickened out of this trade, and now as I'm speaking to you guys, this trade has hit TP, that smashed TP. All right, so like the trade almost hit LSL that very day. Okay, it bounced back, and today anybody that holds this trade now, they're in profit. So guys, make sure you stay tuned, make sure you keep following. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.